In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubspot with Facebook Messenger. By the end, your Facebook messages will flow straight into Hubspot, so your team can reply from one unified inbox. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to both Hubspot and Facebook, and that you have permission to install apps in your Hubspot account. Start by opening your browser and searching for Hubspot. Click the official Hubspot website and log into your account. If you use multiple accounts, confirm you're in the correct portal where you want Messenger connected. It helps to have admin or super admin access for a smooth setup. Once you're in Hubspot, look at the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. Click it, then choose the App Marketplace. This is where you'll find integrations that connect Hubspot to the tools you already use. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Facebook Messenger. You should see the Facebook Messenger integration appear in the results. Click it to open the listing page and review the overview and permissions. When you're ready, click Install. Hubspot will start the connection process and guide you through the next steps. After installation, you'll be taken to your inbox settings. Click Connect a Channel to add a new messaging source to your conversations inbox. From the list of options, choose Facebook Messenger. If you manage more than one inbox in Hubspot, double-check you're adding Messenger to the intended one so your team sees conversations in the right place. Next, click Continue with Facebook. A Facebook window will open. Log into your Facebook account to authorize the connection. During this process, Facebook may prompt you to confirm access and select the Facebook page you want to connect. Make sure you choose the page that receives messages from your customers. Grant the requested permissions so Hubspot can receive and send messages on your behalf. If you already use Facebook Business Tools, keep the default permissions enabled for best results. When the login completes, you'll return to Hubspot with the channel connected. You can now handle Messenger conversations inside Hubspot's Conversations inbox, track contacts, and keep a history of each message thread. As a best practice, send yourself a quick message from your Facebook page to verify everything is working, then adjust routing, availability, and notifications in your inbox settings to match your team's workflow. That's it. You searched for Hubspot, logged in, opened the app marketplace, installed Facebook Messenger, connected the channel, continued with Facebook, and signed in to finish the link. Thanks for watching and enjoy managing your Facebook messages directly in Hubspot.